using rocks or stones.
Paperweight stones or stone paperweight.
You can put it on the paper, and when there's an electric fan, you put it on top. The paper will fly away. Yay! But we're going to be painting them so they can be little cuties.
Like
I'm going
ladybirds, like bees, like insects.
Anyway, I'm going to do a ladybug.
too.
I'm going to do a ladybug. She's going to be doing
A circle bee.
Okay, let's just start.
White and black.
I'm going to use the first coat of red, and the next one is red and black. Yeah, here, yellow first. Any else, you just go
I
on.
don't know what to pick first. I'll just start with the eyes.
And then the eyes.
Eyes. Start with you. So this will be saved as the white.
Yeah.
White color. And then here's the yellow color.
Here's the red color.
This one's for the face, so we're gonna start over here. This turns green.
Oh boy, look in my hands. Are you guys already in summer? Like you have no more classes? Comment down below what you're going to do this summer. We're doing videos for you guys. Oh yeah, and comment down below for ideas as well. This one we made it up. Smells like rain. Yeah. Okay, you have to make it dry first, and then afterwards you can put it on your paper now, which I don't have any paper to show you guys, but this is paper.
So let's put it at the front.
And then after that,
Here, like that, over here, and then we're gonna make another one. A
We're going-
minion.
we're going to make another one.
A minion, very nice minion.
You can do any decoration you want.
Any. Let's get started.
I got the yellow first. It's fine because there's going to be two yellow. Okay, next one we're going to make a minion.
Okay.
Wow,
I'm
I
gonna
speak fast.
Yeah,
I don't know which blue, so I'm going to use both blue.
Who
Because I don't know.
I'll just do a pink minion.
And then she's gone with it. Go. 1, 2, 3. And he has hair. Hey, see that? See that? Oh yeah, and comment down below if you tried this. Which design did you do it? No, my black's turning blue. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, squish that like button and subscribe, like, comment down below if you like this video as well. Bye-bye! Let me show my ladybird.
Let me show my this one. And this mine. I don't want to hold it because here, go here, come here. You want to hug me? Here is my minion. Hashtag minion jump.
Minion jump. Mine is just hashtag ladybird's cute and awesome. And the other one, hashtag minions crazy.
Minions crazy.
Hashtag minion crazy.
Mine's a minion ninja.
Okay, bye-bye.